Hi guys, good evening everybody. It's me, Jeff Ignacio, the owner of this channel, Suka Hati Pelanggan. Alright, I just had my heavy dinner, super heavy dinner. Thank you to my friend for treating me. So I'm here, took my bath, after all these things. Once you go out, once you come back, you must make sure that you are clean, take your bath, and don't use your clothes that you use when you're out there, because this is not the same as 3 months ago. Alright, so tonight I am going to react to Siti Nordiana featuring Naim Daniel singing Benang Emas. Yeah, so 3, 2, go. Oh! Wow! Naim Daniel's voice is very strong, precise, perfect when he first hit the note. Oh. Very good voice like this guy. Very nice melody. I love this song. Is this a traditional song? His voice is really good, Naim Daniel. Oh. Wow, his melisma also very good. No doubt about Siti Nordiana. Oh my goodness, she is such a flexible, she can sing any genre. But in this song, I'm beginning to admire Naim Daniel's voice. His voice is really good. Siti Nordiana, as usual, soft. What is merdu in English? Really, I can't find out word. I have to Google. It's so busy. Seriously, can't find the meaning of merdu. Nice, very nice harmonization. I love the music as well. Woo! Guys, that was Siti Nordiana and also Naim Daniel with Benang Emas. I'm not sure whose song is this, but I am really impressed with Naim Daniel's voice. It is very strong. Vocal was really good and it was really clear. Even though it's just, I believe it's a rehearsal, or else their pakaian is not like this, Alright, and the people are like walking, so it should be a rehearsal. No doubt about Siti Nordiana, her melisma, her her beauty in carrying this song is like, whoa, it's very good. But again, like I said, because I think I only heard Naim Daniel once or twice singing, and mostly it's like it's his video clip, so it's not easy to say whether he's good or not, because video clip or music video came from studio. So but listening to him singing live, wow, I'm really impressed. I wish to react to him more after this. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching my reaction. Please click subscribe and the notification bell as well, and down below comment if you want me to react to any more artists. Please do so. Thank you so much. Bye bye.